about your results. If anything is secret, just don't tell it.
No, there are no secrets yet. This is still I am the very last period of my PhD. I am supposed to hand it in very few months. So it is exactly like trying to gather all the information, but so far what we have been finding is that the interesting part about the disease is that it is still not known what is the cause, what is causing the disease. There are tumors that are growing around the animal in the limbs, around the flippers and neck and face, but also internally. So what has been associated mainly is the disease is a herpes virus. So when we started this project, the first thing that we decided, okay, let's skip for 1 second the disease and let's focus on the genetics of the herpes virus and the seed turtles. And that's what we have been doing, because what it was known until then is that the herpes virus was triggering something in the environment or something in the animal immune system to activate the disease. And what it was known is, or what was believed, is that the disease was something very new, that this association between the sea turtles and the disease is something was very recent, because the first time that was reported was 70 years ago. There was a period that was not reported at all, and then 30 years ago, it was a boom of the disease. So animals, for instance, in Hawaii, sea turtles from Hawaii, out of the sudden went from not being infected to 90% of all the population being infected with tumors, and it's lethal. The tumor is not killing the animal. What is killing the animal is that the tumors grow all around the body of the animal, so the turtle cannot swim, cannot feed, and then eventually dies. So the main interest is just like, okay, what is the real origin of the disease, or what is the real origin of the virus, and this co-association between the sea turtles, because as I said, it was believed there was something very recent. What we have been so far being able to identify is that it's something that this co-evolution goes back millions of years ago. So there is not something that just out of the sudden appear, because it has been proven that it's a very, really long co-evolution between a herpes virus and the host. So in order to that happening, it's just like natural selection, that as the host is evolving, the herpes virus is evolving with it. And then it has been proven for other reptiles that this co-evolution or this co-association has been happening for a really, really long period. And now, as where we are proving genetically, we have managed to finally sequence the entire genome of the herpes virus, and we have been able to identify that the herpes virus is not only present in animals that are sick. So we're finding in the animals that are completely healthy,